how I'm making the software to be more conservative. Let's get it. This is what's going on. As you can see this, I have a total of 5 trades. I normally only have the software set to 4 trades. Four trades was the max. But because of what happened with the data that came out, I opened up a 5th trade. As you can see, this 5th trade up here. Now, these first 4 trades, as you can see, the interval, the spacing in between the trades is what I'm working on to make the software more conservative. But as the market continued to do what it did after the data that came out with the CPI and the PPI, which is the Consumer Price Index and the Producer Price Index, those numbers was hotter than expected, and as you see, the market reacted to it. So because the market reacted to it, I had to react and go into my software settings and set it to a maximum of 5 trades. In addition to that, I increased my spacing in between trades to now be 6,500 instead of 5,500. So, and 6,500 is going to be my new spacing because that's going to be the spacing in between trades. So the market has to move a certain amount before it will open up a next trade. And that's how I'm going to make the software be more conservative. But at the same time, I'm going to try to maintain the same results and the same profit performance that I currently have because I'm killing it with that. And I push the software to the limits on that side as far as being aggressive to get the results that I want. Now I'm going to leave that aggressive component there and then come on the other side of it to try to make it more conservative, which may sound weird to you, but I'm showing you how I'm doing that with the spacing in between trades. And so this right here is going to be my new space in between trades. And if you take that space right there and come down here, I don't want to mess with anything because these are live trades, but this other tab down here, this is where my software is actually loaded onto, and that will show also account data that I don't want to display. But when I open up this separate chart right here, it won't show the software that's information that be loaded over here. But again, with this spacing right here, if you were to take that space and run that all the way up here, this should have only been a maximum of maybe 3 trades open instead of 5. So that's what I'm going to be doing to reduce my risk, but at the same time, get the performance that I'm accustomed to and make the software safer, make the software more conservative, but still have the software do what it do and go out there and get into trades and get out of trades. But you just have to be mindful of the market is risky. When the Fed speaks, when data comes out, which is like high news events with the CPI and the PPI, if the data is not what the market is expecting, then the market is going to react. And you need to be able to have your software that can withstand those reactions without um, without any worry. Well, I don't want to say any worry because it's a risky market, so there is a level of worry there. But I want you to change your worry and be confident. So I want you to have the confidence in running your software and the parameters that you have set in your settings. So wrap up this video, make this real short. Just want to show you how I'm making the software more conservative, making the software more conservative. All right, peace out, y'all. Yeah, have a great one.